Hello, my lovely ones. How are you, loves? I hope everyone is doing well. Good morning, good afternoon, or good evening. Welcome to your daily and happy full moon. Whatever zodiac sign you are, now is a great time to expand whatever you have in your mind. It's a good opportunity to go ahead. As you know, the full moons are the peakest or biggest energy at all in the month. And speaking of is Sagittarius full moon. Many of you know I am a Sagittarius myself. As well, Sagittarius is ruled by Jupiter, the planet of expansion, the planet of luck, and at the same time, the planet of excess. Whatever you do may bring you luck or otherwise. Let's see, loves. Happy Tuesday, June 14th. What do we have in the store? I have the Sacred Traveler Oracles and as well the Easy Tarot by Barbara Moore. Let's see, loves. The energy is quite strong. For some of you, make sure whatever you are planning to stick with it, because it will bring you that result you are clearly looking at. Whatever it is, career-wise, financial-wise, love-wise. Let's see. As well, even though full moons are purging, it's great to manifest. Whatever you have, make sure when you manifest, you make it as, or you say it as you have it in the moment. All right, loves. An overarching energy for the day, we have Judgment. Learning lessons from a past life. For others of you, there is certain past life energies or past life memories you have. Pay attention to your dreams or the dreams you have, how you manage. Nine of Pentacles, Seven of Swords. For some of you, there is someone here might come along, but you, loves, are required to stay strong and in your confident lane. Because whoever comes with a small apology, but no, Seven of Swords is not your ally. Seven of Swords is someone here tries to get away with something coming forward. Okay? You know, you have your aha moment. Once you see it, you will clearly notice how and what. Let's see, loves. Hierophant right here. Four of Wands. Chariot. Look at this. Five of Swords. King of Swords. Seven of Pentacles. Knight of Swords. Hangman. And Ace of Swords. Somebody here needs to be quite clear what they want and go after, and to not wait just because other people or whatever it is. But whatever they need to do is to be crystal clear. Also, there's another thing of waiting or I'm not ready. You are, my dear. The Chariot very much speaks. You are ready. Go ahead. It's like I wait my time. And also there's somebody here needs to do something, but not because for others to see, but because they want to. If that makes sense for anyone here. Because Five of Swords is kind of, I will do, look at me. But that's not quite real why. I have the Hierophant, I have the Chariot, the Hangman, and the Swords, King of Swords, Knight of Swords. I might speak very, very clearly today with an air sign, with a Taurus, with a Cancerian, or a Piscean. And also, whatever situation is here, somebody needs to look at the picture from a different perspective. Whatever that picture is for you, loves. King of Swords is that king who makes plans for the future. And whatever here, don't do because it entirely works for you or how it works. Nobody really cares. And the time is now. Ace of Swords. Oh, I need the clarity. Or, oh, I need time to see what's ahead. Walk into unknown. There's no shortcuts. But let's see. The King of Swords, clarifier, Two of Swords. Are you ready or you are not? Somebody here is not ready or doesn't see through something. One more card. A new beginning. A whole new beginning. Should I wait? It's kind of like be happy now. Start now. Now is the time. And learn to allow. The Two of Swords many times is I'm blocking this new beginning for whatever reason is there. Or I don't want to because of whatever it's around me or whoever it's around me. The happiness is a state of mind. The way you see it, that's how we got it. An egg is getting broken from inside, not outside. So whoever it's around doesn't really influence unless you let them. Boundaries speaks very highly. The Five of Swords, Death. I feel here whatever was here for some of you is to change certain things or whatever you've done to change certain things. Or whomever was around you was meant to change something you do. The Seven of Pentacles, King of Pentacles, your groundness, your abundance. Your abundance is not way too far. It's next to you. You allow it or you block it. The Hangman, Five of Wands, other people. You know, that's why people have a voice to talk. You will never stop them. And that's why we have all to communicate. Let them talk. Makes you see where is to improve, where is to let go, where is to take with you, and so much more. One more card for the Hangman and Five of Wands, Ten of Wands. To shut up everyone might be quite a burden. You don't need to. Put that burden down. Because it's kind of like whatever others do or how they are might burden you, might stop you from the move or whatever you want to do. So clearly, do whatever you want. Because Ace of Swords very much speaks that you clearly know what works, what doesn't, and who you are to go forward with. Seven of Swords, Four of Swords. Take time and reflect. You don't need to hide out. You don't need to do whatever you feel that I don't want people to see me, or I don't want, it's like, don't hide your confidence. Take some time. Four of Swords. Four of Swords, Page of Swords, another page. You see here, Page of Swords, Knight of Swords, King of Swords. The one is missing is Queen of Swords. For some of you, you either get some advice from someone, or someone will advise you of the movement forward or how to do certain things. And indeed here we do have a lot of swords and wands, which that very much speaks about thinking and what you want ahead. The world is not stopping. Do you. And remember who you are. Remember that you are confident doing what you want. For those of you who have someone and comes back to you, they kept an eye on you for quite a long time. They may not be moved on from you. They may wait quite a long time till they will make the move, and they will try to come forward. You whatsoever needs to be crystal clear what you're looking for. Okay? And for those of you who have plans doing something, don't delay them. Now is a great time to go ahead. Whatever here ended, whatever here you clear up, believe it or not, you have plenty of room for new. You have plenty of room for new. The best advice for you, loves. The best advice for all of you who are watching. Also, for some of you, before I go into the advice, for some of you, if something you had and felt stable at one point, know that if that crushed or that to be left behind, there is a whole brand new stable energy. And I feel here it's not a static or static or standing energy. It's more like a move. So if you felt that marriage is the most stable to be with someone, might not be the case as we speak right now. Or if you have some sort of job which brought you stability and now you start or you are about to start a business, know that that will move you forward and the growth will be exponential, tremendous. All what you need to do is to allow, because I feel here some of you, either you are not ready or you are not allowing it. But the sun very much speaks, there is a rebirth out there. It's like that light at the end of the tunnel comes in. And you need to let it in. For some of you, this is all about healing a situation. But you know, in healing, there's no shortcuts, as in any other situation. The advice, 5 of Pentacles. It's hard to let whatever is. You feel that might not be too many around you or around this journey. But King of Wands speaks, go ahead, take action. And don't be a victim, or don't rely on a victim mentality. You are more than that. 2 of Cups speaks of new. Queen of Pentacles, absolutely new. And 9 of Cups, a wish fulfilling. Very much also speaks for some of you, whatever you felt to leave behind was anyway not yours. Also, whatever new brings to you, it's a wish fulfillment. If you left a marriage, whatever commitment, whatever you felt it's stable, that was not until now as you go, because you'll see what it's meant to be a match, or very much click energy. And many of you, you feel very doubtful. Should I? Should I not? Should I go? Should I stay? The point of fear. Don't be fearful. Walk through your fears. Because you walk through your person. Someone quite like you. As you see, the sun and the moon, even though they are different, they come together. They blend together. And as the day ends, the night make a 24-hour together. So yeah, loves, don't doubt, don't fear. Walk through your fears. And speaking of the change, because it's coming very soon, we have 5 of Swords right here. We have 5 of Pentacles right here. 5 of Wands right here. The 5 of Cups is missing. Just reading the card alone, 5 of Cups speaks about the past. For some of you, yes, you go through a depression, whatever it is, that heavy emotional energy. Leave that behind. The full moon, as I'm reading now, which is the moon right here, the full moon in Sagittarius give you that opportunity to feel lucky, because sometimes it's better sooner than later. Or it's better late than never. Something here to end. So if you've been surviving in a situation, now you're going to leave. Also, for some of you, you needed to heal a trait here. Trust issues. I don't trust people. People do this, people do that. Or even heal some negative patterns you've been through. As well, King of Wands right here. King of Pentacles right here. King of Swords right here. King of Cups, again, Cups is missing. Give yourself a little self-love. You've been strong for way too long. And now you know what patterns to let behind. And go ahead and be strong and go from a point of strength. You are way stronger than you think. Give yourself that chance. Look at here. The Five of Cups. It's right here. And it's the third card from the back. Five of Cups. Let go whatever ended. As you know, the world is a chapter done and over. As well, the world is a major arcana, last major arcana, which are energies set in stone. We speak quite a lot of that. Leave that behind, because the growth coming. Empress. Empress is all about growth and expansion. Don't regret whatever you left behind, because the new looks completely different and beautiful. Moving forward, let me see. Where is the King of Cups? So, and as well, I will look where's the Queen of Swords. King of Cups is right here. Six of Cups. Let go whatever you feel you can't, and that's the past. Three of Cups. And it's time for you to enjoy whatever is coming new and stable. And the Queen of Swords is right here from the swords energies. Behind the Queen is Page of Pentacles. Money may look short. Take a leap into new. The Fool very much speaks that I can make more, but you need to take the leap, to take the risk. So from the Page to the King, don't wait anymore. And up front, Queen of Swords, we have Six of Swords, which Six of Swords very much speaks that the starting point might not be so easy or quick. The Knight of Pentacles is quite the opposite of the Knight of Swords. Slow. But the move is, in the move is a lot of help. Because here is, whatever is here, whatever chapter you're moving in, will go slower than probably you would like to, but clearly will lead you where you need to be. If that makes sense, or with who you need to be. So yes, loves, the oracles, what speaks to you. You can overcome anything, overcoming obstacles. So where you've been through, it's not your final destination, that's quite sure. Vast vistas, expand your horizons. Look for the bigger picture here. Underneath we have the great gates of triumph. Success expands in your life. Don't delay whatever is here. Crossing bridges. It's time for healing, connecting, mending, and releasing. Keep moving. And in the flow, everything is smooth sailing. Be in the flow. Go slow. Because you know, slow and steady wins the race. And release control. Surrender to the journey. Release control very much speaks that trust in the universe, guidance. You are giving ahead steps how to go forward. And if you resonate with this storyline, let me know down below. Otherwise, I wish all of you a beautiful, amazing full moon. And big hugs, much, much abundance. And I'll see you next time. Namaste.